channel. Today we are going to see chapter 3 expansion exercise 3.2. Question number 29. The question is, if x plus 1 by x the whole square equals 3, we are supposed to find x cube plus 1 by x cube. Okay. So we know very well this identity, which is what? In the form a plus b the whole square form. So which is what? X plus 1 by x the whole square identity is x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. This is what? Identity. Right? So here x plus 1 by x is given, which is equal to 3 square equals x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. That is given x plus 1 by x the whole square equals 3. Right? X plus 1 by x the whole square equals 3. Excuse me. Right. So the whole square value is 3 here. Next, we are supposed to find this x square plus 1 by x square. So this 3, bring this 2 this side, minus 1, that is x square plus 1 by x square. So which implies x square plus 1 by x square equals 1. Right? So keep this value. Then we are supposed to find x cube plus 1 by x cube. This is also identity, that is x plus 1 by x into x square plus 1 by x square minus x into 1 by x. Using identity, a cube plus b cube, which is equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab, where a equals x, b equals 1 by x. Okay, all this reason is most important, is needed side by side in the solution part. Okay, so substitute x plus 1 by x, which we have, which is what? X plus 1 by x. So which implies, excuse me, here I am writing x plus 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x the whole square equals 3. So taking square root, what you will be getting? Taking square root, x plus 1 by x equals plus or minus 3. Plus or minus 3. So name this as 1, name this as 2. Right. So substitute the value of x plus 1 by x as plus or minus 3. Then x square plus 1 by x square as 1. Here 1 minus 1, which is equal to plus or minus 3 into 0, which is equal to 0 is the solution. Right? This is the solution of this x cube plus 1 by x cube. Next, the question is, if x is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6, we are supposed to find the value of root x plus 1 by root x. This is the same method which is given in the example. It is given in the example 8 of this exercise 3.2. Okay. So let us go with the solution. What is given here? X is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. Okay. So let us find 1 by x, which is equal to 1 by 5 minus 2 root x. So which can be written as 1 minus 5 2 root x into 5 plus 2 root x. That is taking conjugate. What is it? Taking conjugate. The conjugate in the sense, so what is the negative, what is the sign here? Opposite to the sign, we want to multiply and divide. Since if you multiply and divide, the value of the original term will not get changed. That is for the conjugation, right? Here the opposite sign of the term we want to take in. So the denominator part, mathematically the denominator part should not be in the root form. So that's why only we are taking conjugation. Okay children? So we must be very careful in this. This is very important step. Okay? We are taking conjugation. Okay. So what is here is, multiply this numerator with 1, which we have, where you will be getting 5 plus 2 root 6 by 5 square minus 2 root 6 square. So using the identity a plus b into a minus b. Using the identity a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. We are writing this one. Okay. So what we will be getting here is 1 by x equals 5 plus 2 root 6 by 25 minus 24, which is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 by 1, which is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. Okay. You assume the given one as equation 1. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay. 1 plus 2 gives, which implies x plus 1 by x equals 5 minus 2 root 6 plus 5 plus 2 root 6. This minus 2 root 6 and plus 2 root 6 will get cancelled. Right? So we will be getting 10. X plus 1 by x equal to 10. Next, the formula for this one which is related to this is root x plus 1 by root x the whole square equals, which is in the form a plus b the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Right? So what we are going to do here is this root x will get cancelled. So what we will be getting root x plus 1 by root x. So which implies root x plus 1 by root x the whole square equals, so root x square is here, the square and root will get cancelled here also. You will be getting, which implies x plus 1 by x plus 2. So which is equal to x plus 1 by x is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay. So root x plus 1 by root x only we are need of the value. So which implies root x plus 1 by root x the whole square equals 12 equals 4 into 3. So taking square root, we get root x plus 1 by root x equals, which is what? 2 root 3. So neglecting negative, we get root x plus 1 by root x is equal to plus 2 root 3, which will satisfy the condition because here x value will be positive only. Right? This is what the solution of this question. Here why we are neglecting this negative term here is, so it should it will satisfy the condition because here it will be, here it is the condition related to the question. Right? Okay. Then next, question number 31. If a plus b plus c equal to 12 and ab plus bc plus ca equal to 22, we have to find a square plus b square plus c square. Okay. So you are able to know which identity is this because this a plus b plus c and ab bc ce and a square b square c square, all this related to one identity, which is what? Which is what? A plus b plus c the whole square identity, which is what? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. So which implies what is given? A plus b, which is what? 12 square equal to, so we are supposed to find a square plus b square plus c square, right, as it is, plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 22. So some values are given, so I am writing given. So 12 square is 144 equals a square plus b square plus c square plus 44. Bring this 44 to this side, which implies 144 minus 44 equals a square plus b square plus c square. So therefore, a square plus b square plus c square equals 144 minus 44 equals 100. Is the required solution. Is the required solution. Very simple, only one formula, one identity. Same like that we are going to solve here. Here, this is also, that is question number 34. If a plus b minus c equals 5 and a square plus b square plus c square equals 29, we have to find the value of ab minus bc minus ca. Okay. Here, a equals a, b equals b and c equals minus a, minus c. So using identities, that is a plus b minus c the whole square equals a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus b into c plus c into a. So which is what? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab minus bc minus ca. We will be getting here a plus b minus c the whole square. So a plus b minus c it is given, which is what? 5. 5 square equals a square plus b square plus c square, it is given 29, plus 2 into ab minus bc minus ca, which implies 25 equals 29 plus 2 into ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, which implies 25 minus 29 equal to 2 into ab minus bc minus ca, which is what? Minus 4 by 2 equals ab minus bc minus ca. So therefore ab minus bc minus ca equals minus 2 is the required solution. So the main thing here is keep a as a, b as b and c as minus c according to the given condition. So everything will be same. So substitute the value there, which is then it will be easy for you to get the answer. Okay. The next question number 36. If the number x is 3 less than the number y and the sum of the squares of x and y is 29, we are supposed to find the product of x and y, right? If the number x is 3 less than the number y, we don't know what is number x and we don't know what is number y. And the sum of the squares of x and y is 29, it is given. Okay. So what we are going to do here is we are supposed to find the product of x and y, right? Okay, solution. What we are going to write here is according to given information. According to given information, we write x equals 3 less than the number y means y minus 3. Consider this as equation 1. Then sum of the squares of x and y, which equals x square plus y square equals 29, right? Okay, what we are going to do here is consider this as equation 1. Substitute x value as y minus 3 in this. That is y minus 3 the whole square plus y square equals 29 using 1. We are substituting. Substitute 1 into substitute. Okay, we will go like that. Substitute equation 1 in 2. So which implies y minus 3 the whole square plus y square equals 29. So which implies it is the form a minus b the whole square. That is a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b plus y square equals 29. Which is what? Y square plus 9 minus 6y plus y square equals 29. Okay. So what you want to do here is y square plus y square becomes 2y square minus 6y plus 9, bring this 29 this side, minus 29 equals 0. So 2y square minus 6y minus 20 equals 0. So all this term, it is in the last year you have studied the quadratic equation, right? That factorization. Divide all this by 2. So which implies y square minus 3y minus 10 equals 0. Then we want to find the product here, which is what? Minus 10 here, minus 3. So 5 2s are 10. So here minus, so we are putting 5 minus sign here, that is plus sign here. So which implies y square minus 5y plus 2y. Okay, this is what? Plus, right? Plus 2y minus 10 equals 0. So which implies y into y minus y, common term, you take this in this 2, factorization last year how you studied, same like that we are going to do here. So plus 2 into y minus 5, which is equal to 0. So which implies in this 2 which is common, y minus 5 is common. So take y minus 5 common and what is left here? Y plus 2 equals 0. So which implies y minus 5 equals 0 or y equals minus 2. So which implies y is equal to 5 or y is equal to minus 2. Okay. So what we are going to do here is taking the positive value, which is what? If it's it want to satisfy the condition, no. Okay. Substitute the value of y as 5 in. Substitute y equal to 5 in 1. So which implies x is equal to 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Which implies x is equal to 2. Right? Which implies x is equal to 2. Here neglecting negative. So neglecting negative. The product value will be positive, so everything. So neglecting negative. So what you will be getting here? So therefore, the product of x and y equals x value is 2 and y value is 5, which is equal to 10. X value is 2, y value is 5. So therefore, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5. Right. Next. If the sum and the product, next question number 37. If the sum and the product of two numbers are 8 and 15 respectively, find the sum of their cubes. Sum and product. Then we are supposed to find the sum of their cubes. We should read the word problem very carefully. Then it will be easy for us to solve the sum. So sum are, let the two numbers be what we are going to assume here. So according to given information, according to given information, according to given information, we write let the two numbers be, let the two numbers be x and y, right? Then, so which implies the sum equals 8, equation 1, and the product xy equals 15, right? Okay, so this is what equation 2. So equation 1 implies x equals 8 minus y. Okay, this will name it as equation 3. Substitute 3 into what we get? We get in the place of x, if we substitute x minus 8 minus y, then into y equals 15, you will be getting 8y. Multiply this one, you will be getting 8y minus y. That is 8 minus y into y, which is what? 8y minus y square equals 15. So which implies, bring everything to that side, it will become y square minus 8y plus 15 equals 0. Same like that we want to do here, which is what? 15 minus 8, 5 3s are 15, both minus minus if we put, you will be getting y square. Last year how you did the factorization of the quadratic term, same like that. So minus 5y minus 3y plus 5 equals 0. So which implies in this 2 we take y common outside, in this 2 we take 3 common outside. So y equals y into y minus 5 minus 3 into y minus 5 equals 0. So y minus 5 common if we take outside, which implies y minus 5 into y minus 3 equals 0. So which implies y minus 5 equals 0 or y minus 3 equals 0. So which implies y equals 5 or y equals 3. Right. So substitute y equals 5 in 1, which implies x plus 5 equals 8 implies x equals 3. If y equals 3 in 1, then x plus 3 equal to 8 implies y equals, x equals 5. So therefore, sum of their cubes, if x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3 or x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5, we get x cube plus y cube equals 5 cube plus 3 cube equals 125 plus 27 is equal to 152, or x cube plus y cube equals 3 cube plus 5 cube also same, which is what 127 plus 125 equals 152. So therefore sum of the cubes is equal to 152 is the solution. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box. Please share and subscribe I Love Math YouTube channel. Thank you.